In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your website with Cloudflare Free WAF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a simple, effective rule that blocks traffic from specific countries, helping reduce spam, bot hits, and unwanted access without touching your server. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in. If you're new to Cloudflare, creating an account is quick, and the free plan includes the web application firewall features we'll use today. Once you're in, go to your list of websites and click the domain you want to protect. This takes you to that domain's dashboard, where all security and performance settings live. On the left-hand side, find the security section and click it to open the security tools for your site. Inside security, select security rules. This is where you can create rules that filter traffic before it reaches your origin server, saving resources and improving protection. Next, click create rule, then choose custom rule. A custom rule lets you define exactly what kind of traffic you want to act on. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name for your rule, such as block traffic from country. A good name helps you quickly understand what the rule does later, especially if you create more rules in the future. Now we'll define the condition. In the field selector, choose country. This tells Cloudflare to look at the visitor's country based on their IP address. For the operator, select equals. Then, in the value field, pick the country you want to block from the drop-down list. Take a moment to double-check your selection. Blocking a country is a strong action, so make sure you're not blocking your primary audience or your own location. With the condition set, choose the action. Select block. This ensures that any request matching your rule is stopped at Cloudflare's edge, never reaching your site. When you're confident everything looks correct, click deploy to activate the rule. Your change applies almost immediately across Cloudflare's global network. From this point on, visitors from the selected country will be blocked according to your rule. If you ever need to adjust it, you can return to security rules to edit, pause, or remove the rule. It's a good idea to monitor your site's traffic after deployment to confirm everything is working as expected. That's it. You've used Cloudflare's free WAF to add a targeted layer of protection to your website with a clean, simple rule. Thanks for watching, and keep your site safe.